Okie dokie. What I want to talk to you today is about the directory structure and things. Okay, different distributions sometimes have different things, but no matter what, this is how it is. Alright, the /, CD is change directory, and then / is the top of your directory structure. Oops, typo. Alright, then is where all your binary files or programs, or not all of them, but all programs are stored in there. Boot is where stuff having to do with grub and your kernel are stored, and there's more to it than that. And then CD-ROM is where your CD-ROM default mounts to, and dev is devices, and there's a long list, and not all of them are stuff that you use. Etc. is where a lot of your configuration files and everything are stored. Home is where your personal files are stored, and that's not a directory there. That has to do with the kernel. That initrd.img and initrd.img.old is obviously the old one, because it upgrades it automatically on Debian and Ubuntu. Lib is where your libraries are found. Lib32 is where 32-bit libraries are found, some of them. And then lib64 is where the 64-bit binaries are found. If file fragments are in the system and you're on fcheck and things, they'll be found lost and found. And media is where most hardware is mounted, like if you plug up an external hard drive or something like that. NNT is a bit depreciated in Ubuntu, but some things can still mount there. And mounting is when you hook it up and it mounts it, like you get on a horse, then you can use it. And opt is where some more configuration files and certain kinds of things are stored. Proc has stuff about your IRQs and everything like that. Root is your home folder for your super user, and run has some various binaries and stuff in it. I'm not sure exactly on this distribution. SBN is where your super user programs are stored. SE Linux is a thing to make sure nothing gets installed that isn't supposed to. SRV is where various server files are found. Might not be much in there. Sys, that's where some system files are stored. Temp is where temporary files are stored. USR, there's more binaries and stuff stored in there. You can store source code in there, and various other var is where like configuration files for your web server, your mail client, your mail server, and all that are stored. Anyway, then Linux is another thing having to do with the kernel. The kernel is the main part of the operating system, by the way. So anyway, that's that.